Good morning viewers, you're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to provide a solution to this combination question on the board. If today is your first time of watching, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow my Facebook page at Shabez Online Tutorial. So the question on the board says, in how many ways can a committee of 3 men and 4 women be formed from a group of 7 men and 10 women? So this is combination question and so solution. And in combination, the formula that we are going to use in combination, we have n combination r. And this formula can also be simplified as n factorial all over n minus r factorial r factorial. So this is the formula we are going to use. And from the equation, to form this committee from a group of 7 men and 10 women, so for men, they say a group of 7 men. In how many ways can a committee of 3 men can be formed from a group of 7 men? So my n for man. So my n now will be equal to 7 because we have 7 groups, and we are asked to form a committee of 3. A committee of 3 men out of this 7 group. So my R now will be 3. And for women, my N now will be equal to 10 because we have 10 group of women, and we are asked to form a committee of 4 out of the 10 group. So my R now will be equal to 4. So from here, using this formula, I'll have for men, I'll have 7 combination 3. Multiply by for woman, which is 10 combination 4. So I will simplify this using this formula. Remember, this formula n combination r can also be simplified as this. So I'll wait further to simplify this as 7 combination 3 can also be written as 7 factorial all over 7 minus 3 factorial 3 factorial, because my r is 3, multiply by 10 factorial all over 10 minus 4 all factorial 4 factorial. So I can went further to simplify this. I have for men, I have 7 factorial over 7 minus 3 is 4 factorial 3 factorial, multiply by, we have 10 factorial here over 10 minus 4 is 6 factorial 4 factorial. So to simplify this, 7 factorial can also be written as 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4. We are going to stop at 4 because the denominator, the highest factorial there is 4. We are going to stop at 4 factorial all over 4 factorial, and this 3 factorial can be expressed as 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So to the right hand side, I have 10 factorial, and remember the denominator, the highest factorial there is 6, so we are going to sub out 6 factorial. So I have 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 factorial, everything over 6 factorial. Then I will express this as 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So from here, we have 4 factorial here and we have 4 factorial here. This 4 factorial can cancel this 4 factorial. Then 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 is 6. So the whole of this can go with this 6. So in this left hand side, we left only 7 multiplied by 5. Then multiply by 10 multiplied by 9. We have 6 factorial here, we have 6 factorial here. This 6 factorial can go with this 6 factorial. So, and the remaining one, we have 4 here. This 4 can go into a 2 times. Then this 2 can cancel this 2. We have 3. 3 can go into 9 3 times. So in the left hand side, we have left with 10 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So in this left hand side, I have 7 multiplied by 3, 7 multiplied by 5, which will give me 35, multiplied by 10 multiplied by 3 is 30, then 30 multiplied by 7, I'll have 210. So to get the number of ways in this 2 committee can be formed from a group, a different group. So I'll have a 35 multiplied by 210. I have 35 multiplied by 210. It will give me 7,350 ways. So from above question, they say in how many ways can a committee of 3 men and 4 women can be formed from a group of 7 men and 10 women. So we have 7,350 ways that a committee of 3 men and 4 women be formed from a group of 7 men and 10 women. Thanks for watching. Please do share this video. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page at